as our DSA code. So guys, today's question is about GCD, and as you know, GCD is a greatest common divisor, or हम कह सकते हैं highest common factor. We have to do it in this question. And if I say कि what we can do, here is an example. Like there are two numbers like 4 and 8, and we have to find it's the greatest common factor. As you considered a number 9 and 12. What are their factors? For 9 it's 139, and for 12 it's about 1 2 4 3 12 6. But we have to find the common greatest, and the common greatest is 3. So similar in this case, we have to do in here, like we have to take n1 and n2 as our input, n1 n2 as our input, and then after taking the input we have to consider a GCD, because for GCD as 1, and we are making a loop of about like min of n1 and n2, and I say it goes till 1 and I minus minus, and if n1 divisor by I equals to 0 and n2 divisor by I equals to 0, we can say GCD equals to that I, and we have just nothing to do, and we just see out that GCD. So guys, let's check. As I run the code, wait a minute, as I run this code, okay, bit लिख दिया मैंने, it's a bits, and I save and I run the code, and I say 9, just wait a minute guys, compiler, and 12, it's 1, it gives us a 1. Why? The problem in initialize, if I not initialize it, I think I initialize it 1, that's why it's a problem. Again I run it, it's again said 1. Wait a minute, I just take a loop like this. If I take a loop like this, n1 n2, and we have equals to that of min of n1 and n2, and I say I plus plus. Now I check it. Yes, it's now correct. So guys, in the previous case it's going to wrong, but now it's correct. And if I say like in any example, if I say 4 or 8, it's 4. So guys, this is our GCD, and we have doing it in a O of n complexity. So I hope you understand the concept of GCD, and we meet soon.